Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make activity book in Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, you're going to tap on the search bar right here at the top, and you're just going to type in activity book. So you can type in activity right there and you can select activity. After you have done that, you can see that you now have access to over 20,000 different templates. And with these templates, you'll be able to create an activity book that looks professional in no time, even as a complete beginner. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. You have this layout right here with 10 pages. You also have this option, and you can see there are numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular activity book. But you can see that there are numerous options that you can use for completely free. Let's say this option right here. So you will select it, then you'll tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, this is where you'll be able to add your own personal touches. So for example, we could change the background if you want. So you could select the current background. Then you could tap on background color right here. After tapping on background color, if you would like to change it, you can see from the left hand menu option the different color options that you have. So you could select this, for example, and then tap on change all in the bottom left hand corner, and you can see we have changed the background color. If it is a case that you would like to change the image, you can do that by selecting the current image that is there. You can also change the text by selecting the text. So for example, let's say instead of there being a giraffe, I would like to change it and put a lion or a goat there. I could simply tap on the image, then tap on delete. Then I will go over to the left hand menu option and tap on elements. After selecting elements, for example, I could type in lion. Then I'll tap on enter, and I'm just going to select graphics. After selecting graphics, you can scroll down and you can see the different graphics option, and you'll just drag and place it as you can see here. So I could drag and place this, and then I could just enlarge it, and that's it. So that's how you'll be able to add your own personal touches. You can scroll down and you can continue making changes, and you can also see this option tracing time, shapes, and so on. If you would like to also add different shapes or time, you can do that. So for example sake, let's say we would like to add a page and we would like to add shapes. What I would recommend you do is, instead of just adding a page like that, I'll select duplicate page. After selecting duplicate page, we can change the text right here. So you could change the text to whatever you want. Then you could delete these. So let's delete these elements real quick, and I'm just going to be showing you what to do to add your own elements. All you need to do is select elements once more from the left hand menu option. After you have selected elements, from here you could type in graphics or you could type in shapes, and you can see the different options right here, shapes or graphics. So for example, if I were to tap on shapes and tap on see all, you can see the different shapes that I could use. So I could add these shapes in. So let me remove these real quick. So I'll tap right here and I could remove these. And I could add new shapes by going over to the left hand menu option. So all I would need to do is drag and place the shape. Then I can adjust the size, as you can see right there. And you can realize once I add it, automatically it gets the color of the background. So you can add the different shapes right here. So this is how you'll be able to customize your activity book with whatever you would like to add in it. You can drag and add the different shapes, as you can see right here, and adjust it. And if it is a case that you would like to change the color, you could do that also by tapping on the particular element and then selecting the color you would like it to have. So that's basically it. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. Then from there you could select download. After selecting download, you can tap on download once more, and you'll be able to download your activity book. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.